How to add SMS from collector on password page. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can add SMS from collector on password page. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And in order to do that, we're going to use this platform called Shopify. And to create an account on Shopify, you could also click the link in the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. Alternatively, you could also click the Start Free Trial button on the top right corner. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is a prominent e-commerce platform that provides businesses via tools to create, manage, and grow their online stores. So now to create an account, just click the Start Free Trial button on the top right corner, then you will be able to be directed on this page right here, where you can sign up using your email account, your Google, Apple ID, or even using your Facebook account in here. After signing in, you'll now be able to be directed on this homepage of Shopify. So now to proceed, kindly click this Add Apps button on the left side panel, and on this pop-up window, just simply click this Shopify App Store button. And upon clicking on it, you'll be able to be directed on this page. And from here, just go to the search bar and kindly search for SMS marketing or SMS only. And upon searching on it, it will show you in here below the result. But in those option of application, just click this Yotpo email marketing and SMS, in which it will show you in here the overview about this application, but just proceed by clicking the install button to proceed. And upon doing so, you'll automatically be directed on this page, in which we can simply click again this install button to proceed. Then from here, all you need to do is to start creating your account by simply entering here your email and also creating your own password in here. Then proceed by clicking create account button. And upon doing so, we will now be able to be directed on this page in here where you can start choosing the channels you want to set up. But in those options, I'm going to choose email and SMS. And from here, just simply enter again to set up your account, your company name, your phone number, and also your industry in here. And after that, just click the next button below to proceed. And it will ask you if you want to automate your marketing in here. So just click the next button to proceed. And it will show you under this collect subscribers, the SMS and email subscribers in here. You could also choose the button color, label, and many more. And I'm going to choose I'll do this later. And proceed customize pop-up or I'll do this later button again. And now under this welcome message, it will show you the welcome message that you could also customize. But by clicking the next button, it will automatically be directed us on this page or homepage of this yotpo.com in here. So from here, to add an SMS form, all you need to do is to simply go on the left side panel and click this audience button, in which by clicking on it, under the subscriber collection tools, it will show you on the right side panel some other options that you can start navigating or other feature it offers in here. We have here, as you can see, Shopify checkout, and also we have here pop-ups, spin to win, keyword, sign up pages. But in those options, I'm going to choose or click this embedded form. Then you'll automatically be directed us on this page where you can start designing or customizing the design of this form. We have here on the left side panel the layout, forms, fields, regulations, and many more. And you can start clicking on it and choosing your preferences. As you can see, you can change here the color, field colors, style, and many more. And even the header text in here. By clicking this text and forms, you could also change the background color of it, rounded corners, form type, button style, and many more. So as you can see, I'm now currently changing the background color of this form. Then you can also change the color of the button that you prefer. So basically, as you can see, it is so easy to navigate and access all of these kind of editing tools in customizing this form in here. So for instance, in this button field, I'm going to change the color of this field or button to this color right here. And if you know, then you can proceed by going again on this other kind of tools. You can also navigate to change it to other views such as mobile view and start customizing it the way you want. And if you know, then filling out the required information or customize this, just click the publish button on the top panel and click this publish. And all you need to do is wait for it to be fully published. And upon doing so, it will show in here that it is now currently published. So just go back to this page and click online store in here. And upon doing so, the next thing that we need to do is to simply click the customize button in here, in which by doing so, it will automatically be directed us in our online store editing mode. And now to proceed adding the SMS form, to our password section, just click on the home page in here. Then just scroll down and simply click this password option. And upon doing so, it will show you that we're now currently under the password section. Then proceed by clicking add section on the left side panel. And from here, just scroll down until you find this Yotpo embed. By clicking on it, it will automatically be directed in here. However, currently it is not visible. And to make it visible, just click the save button on the top right corner. And now as you can see, it is now currently be seen or visible. So now we can now change the arrangement of this point by clicking here or drag it in here under the template section. Then proceed by clicking the save button once again to save the changes. So now as you can see, we're now currently adding this SMS form collector in our password page. So overall, that is just basically how you can add SMS from collector on password page. Thank you.